Hello to our Gear Research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best cookie sheets that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Nordic Ware Natural Aluminum Commercial Cookie Sheets. Aluminum baking sheets are classics in the kitchen. While some are cheap and flimsy, these are commercial grade, so they're heavier weight and much more sturdy. For even better performance, they have rolled, encapsulated steel rims so they won't bend or warp in normal use, and they'll never rust or corrode. Both the pan's sturdiness and their resistance to warping garnered them high marks from reviewers, though some note that the area of the pans where the company logo is embossed is harder to clean. This set of 2 pans will speed up baking when there are multiple batches of cookies or other baked goods, since one pan can be in the oven while the other is being unloaded, cooled, and reloaded with more cookie dough. Since aluminum is a responsive metal, these will cool quicker when they're out of the oven, so they'll be ready to use faster than steel pans. These half-sheet pans are the most common size in home kitchens, but they are also available in quarter-sheet size for smaller batches and for countertop ovens. These are made in the United States and should be hand-washed. And fries and ultimately picked this one because it continues to lay flat and bakes evenly. They say that, while other pans may work just as well, the price on this guy is really hard to beat. And, actually, they've found that more expensive pans don't hold up nearly as well. Number 2, Good Cook Steel Nonstick 3-Piece Cookie Sheet. This 3-pack of non-stick cookie sheets is a great option for those who cook a lot. There is a small, medium, and large sheet, and each has a high-quality non-stick coating that won't come off after repeated use. It's made of durable alloy steel that won't warp and is also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Because they are made of steel, there is an even distribution of heat to ensure your baked goods and food comes out perfectly cooked. Although some steel bakeware is not safe for use with metal utensils, you can use a metal spatula on these cookie sheets without damaging the surface. The most affordable option on this list, the non-stick cookie sheet, is made with heavy-duty steel and a scratch-resistant surface that's safe to use with metal spatulas. The 13 by 9-inch sheet pan is ideal for smaller batches of food, but for the quality, the price can't be beat. Customers on Amazon praise the budget-friendly cookie sheet for its strength and durability. "For the money, I'm beyond happy with this sheet pan," wrote one. "I used this sheet maybe 5x week to roast veggies, and it has held up really well." That's where this ceramic-coated baking sheet from Caraway comes in. It's available in 5 colors, has shiny stainless steel handles for easy rotating, and features a ceramic coating for a slick surface and easy cleanup. Again, we wish there was an uncoated option, but we're suckers for good design. Number 3, Natural 2-pack Cookie Sheet Set. Aluminum is one of the best materials for baking as it properly distributes heat, but these Tefal cookie sheets also have micro-dome technology. These sheets have little domes on the bottom that can further decrease cook time by as much as 15%. Additionally, extra air insulation between layers of aluminum ensures there won't be any burning or overheating. These cookie sheets come in a pack of 2, are rust-resistant, and have one raised edge for easy handling. We used each pan to cook various baked goods, including frozen pizzas, sugar cookies, and mixed veggies, and scored each based on size, weight, warp resistance, ease of food removal, how much effort it took to clean, and the overall experience of using the pan. Solid construction means it's less likely to warp. A heavy sheet is tough to hold onto. We tested how easy it was to handle each tray with one hand and whether you could hold the sheet comfortably while also removing your food to settle on the cooling rack. We also judged the non-stick factors after cooking. Specifically, how easy was it to remove things from the tray? And how easy was it to clean? Number 4, Nordic Ware Baker's Big Baking Sheet. Nordic Ware makes the most durable sheet pans out there. Brittany Bennett, owner of Tartwork, says they'll make you feel like a professional in your home kitchen, and chef and television host Elena Besser says they're the closest brand to the industrial baking sheets she used in the kitchen at the beloved Brooklyn restaurant Lilia. "I have owned 2 Nordic Ware half sheets and 1 quarter sheet for nearly a decade and haven't needed to replace them yet. That's because, as Claire Saffitz, baker and author of Dessert Person, puts it, Nordic Ware sheet pans can really take a beating. While the surface color may change over time, especially with the use of acidic ingredients like vinegar and tomatoes, mine have definitely become a bit darker over the years. That doesn't affect the quality of cooking at all, which is still as even as ever." Nordic Ware notes that metal utensils may cause scrapes, but those are also merely cosmetic. I can attest to this too, as I use my fish spatula to scoop up roasted vegetables pretty consistently with no negative effect. As these aren't non-stick, if you're making something that may require some help with easy removal, like cookies, you can simply place a silicone mat or parchment paper on the surface. Both are easy and cheap solutions. Plus, a set of 2 sheet pans is only $20, so if you find yourself craving that new, shiny silver color after a while, you won't feel bad about replacing them. Number 5. Wilton Perfect Results Premium Non-Stick Cookie Sheets. Perhaps one of the most well-known names in baking, Wilton offers high-quality products built to last. This 2-pack of cookie sheets is perfect for everything from baking cookies to roasting vegetables and boasts practically perfect results every time. The 2 pans nest together for easy storage and have highly durable non-stick surfaces. Plus, their steel construction makes sure that they don't warp, even after being washed in the dishwasher. To make handling the pans easier, they have oversized handles on each side that are nice and easy to grip, even when wearing oven mitts. You might as well get it in multiple sizes. Different baking needs require different sized sheets, and this 4-piece set from Wilton covers all the bases. It comes with 2 medium and 2 large non-stick steel cookie sheets that are sturdy, easy to clean, and inexpensive for the quality and durability. The non-stick coating on this baking sheet helps cookies and other baked goods release easily and makes cleanup easier, too. While this is dishwasher safe, given its large size, it may not fit in most dishwashers. Hand washing with warm soapy water is recommended for longer life. Like, comment and subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.